So, in a big system already installed with Composer, how should migration to new Cognio solution be handled if the client will not change everything at once? Well, quite honestly, Cognio, again, is such a brand new, complete platform that it really is going to have to be designed for Cognio from the beginning. Now, that doesn't mean you can't add to existing systems, but if you do want Cognio, you do need to at least add to an existing system or replace aspects of the existing system. Cognio will not run on our existing Composer DSPs, such as Radius or Edge or Prism or the D100. All of those need the new Cognio operating system to run Cognio. So the way I think about it is look to Cognio to new designs or expanded designs. But from a control standpoint, Cognio can be used to control anything. So thinking about the touchscreens, they could be easily used for controlling existing systems that don't already have an integrated control. So that's another good way to expand and add Cognio to an existing system.